Mitosis or M phase. This is the phase of actual cell division. In animal cells, mitotic division is seen only in diploid somatic cells. But in plant cells, it is seen in both haploid and diploid cells. Mitotic division starts with nuclear division or karyokinesis and ends with cytoplasmic division or cytokinesis. Since the number of chromosomes in the parent and the progeny cells is the same after mitosis, it is also called as equational division. Mitosis has been divided into 4 stages. They are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Prophase. It is the longest phase in mitosis. Prophase occurs after interphase. During this phase of interphase, the replication of DNA takes place and 2 chromatids are present at each chromosome. The following events occur in the prophase. 1. Chromatin contends to form chromosomes. Each chromosome has 2 chromatids. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus are disappeared. Spindle fiber starts to originate from the polar region. Metaphase. Spindle fibers elongate and attached to the kinetochores of the chromosomes. Chromosomes are pulled to the center and aligned at the equator. Anaphase. It is the shortest phase in mitosis. The spindle fibers from both polar ends shrink and pull the chromosomes. The centromere splits and the chromatids separate. Chromatids move to opposite poles. Telophase. Chromosomes, that is with single chromatid, cluster at each pole and become chromatins. Nuclear membrane assembles around the chromatin at each pole and become nucleus. Nucleolus appear in both nuclei. Cytokinesis. Cytoplasmic division or cytokinesis takes place after nuclear division. In animal cell, this is achieved by the appearance of a furrow in the plasma membrane. The furrow gradually deepens and ultimately joins in the center, dividing the cell cytoplasm into 2. In plant cells, cytoplasmic division starts by the formation of a cell plate at the center. The cell plate grows outward to meet the existing lateral walls. The cell plate becomes the middle lamella. New cell walls are deposited on either side of the middle lamella. In some organisms, karyokinesis is not followed by cytokinesis, as a result of which multinucleate condition arises, leading to the formation of syncytium. Example: liquid endosperm in coconut.